Hi, I'm Leo Gergs, a Principal Analyst at ABI Research. Our news spotlight covers key trends, stats, and the competitive landscape of neutral host networks for enterprise 5G. Here's what industry players need to know. Neutral hosts will generate more than $1.3 billion in enterprise cellular connectivity by 2030, representing a huge opportunity for MSPs and neutral hosts, infrastructure vendors, tower companies, and telco carriers. This is a very timely question, as indeed we're just publishing an update to our private cellular networks. Overall, industrial verticals like manufacturing, energy generation including mining, healthcare, and logistics show the biggest interest in private cellular connectivity. Now, all of these are open to neutral host providers as well, not necessarily because of a neutral host delivery architecture, but rather because of their proven track record as managed service providers. Enterprise private cellular networks require a high degree of customization, as every enterprise has slightly different requirements and pre-existing technology. Consequently, integrating the network, professional services, is the largest revenue service, accounting for roughly 46% of these $1.3 billion. Neutral hosts play a transformative role in shaping the demand for telecom infrastructure components and solutions. By providing shared wireless infrastructure, they drive the need for versatile and interoperable components that can accommodate diverse network requirements. This heightened demand spans across equipment like base stations, antennas, and connectivity solutions to ensure seamless integration within neutral host environment. And ultimately, neutral hosts contribute significantly to the evolution and growth of the telecom infrastructure landscape, fostering innovation and adaptability in response to dynamic connectivity demands. Neutral host providers strategically integrate enterprise cellular into their portfolio by recognizing its pivotal role in meeting diverse connectivity needs. Now, they ensure seamless incorporation by deploying a comprehensive approach that includes infrastructure components such as small cells and distributed antenna systems, DAS. On a practical level, they are looking at either partnerships or acquisition. Boldine Networks, for example, announced their intentions in late 2023 to acquire the private cellular network business from Cellnex. While we must wait to see what the finished acquisition looks like, it could be a very powerful new business unit. Now, tower companies should look at neutral host providers as their extension arm into in-building wireless. Tower companies have the necessary infrastructure to provide connectivity for large outdoor areas, while neutral host providers have the necessary expertise to extend that connectivity reach into buildings and enterprise sites. Therefore, tower companies should engage in partnerships with neutral host providers to support enterprises with both indoor and outdoor connectivity. Neutral host providers are actively adopting a range of cutting-edge technologies and industry standards to stay at the forefront of connectivity. Embracing 5G technologies, virtualization, and Open RAN standards are becoming increasingly prevalent, allowing them to offer high performance and flexible services. To remain technologically competitive, tower companies can strategically invest in research and development, staying abreast of emerging trends and integrating innovations like edge computing into their infrastructure. Like tower companies, CSPs should look at neutral host providers as partners to extend their reach into enterprise building. To that end, they might need to accept that neutral host providers are becoming enterprises' favorite digitization provider. So CSPs should start sharing their spectrum assets with neutral hosts to get a piece of the enterprise connectivity revenue cake. CSPs face a tough time in general when it comes to realizing the immense enterprise opportunity. They will need to completely rethink their offerings and business models to embrace enterprises' demands for outcome-based pricing and consultative selling.